Hello everybody, welcome back to part 2 of our robot build. Right, we are on the legs. Look how bad these are for you, Annie. Look, saturates and sugars, 30 each prepared cupcake contains 31% of your daily sugar intake.
Wait, Freya,
that's quite a lot.
Freya took like 6
I'm sure, yeah, but I'm sure she didn't eat more.
Her phone probably.
That's why you mustn't eat too much sugar.
Anyway,
we're not here to do a diet video, are we? We're doing a robot. Okay, we need to put some legs on, so we decided. Yeah.
This is the toilet paper we did in the next one, so let's ignore that part because we're gonna.
Okay, so we've been thinking about the robot's legs, and we decided to use these pretty cool yogurt pots and some of these.
Yeah,
so, Annie, while I'm getting this bit ready, can you tell our listeners and viewers what we're doing and what the name of the robot is?
Wait, what?
Yeah, I know, you've got to think of it.
It's gonna be a girl because we're gonna get a dog called and it's gonna be a boy. So this girl is gonna be a girl.
Yeah.
So what it's gonna be called is it's gonna be called. We didn't think of a name.
You got to think of one then. Quick.
It's gonna be Jemima.
Jemima, that's a cool name. Okay.
We're gonna get a boy dog soon. Yeah, so there you go.
Ooh, where's the sellotape gone?
I don't know. It wasn't.
Uh-oh.
Everyone.
Oh, it's here. I've got it.
Nice.
Right.
I got the leg. Tiny.
Now, you might be wondering what we're doing. We are trying something out here because...
We don't know if it will work. We just tried it out before the video.
Yeah, we don't know if this is going to work, but what we thought was it would be really cool if the robot's legs kind of weren't stuck.
And we can move. We're going to move them. They can find out a way.
Yeah, so we thought it might be really cool.
And we're not really artists, we said in our very first video, but we're not really artists. I'm the thinker. I always think of stuff.
You're the thinker? What am I then? The stinker? Let's have the pot
No,
here.
you make stuff. You help, so you can move it. You find out ways to do stuff.
Well, we're trying, we're
It's cool. It's going to be so cool.
we're trying to experiment, aren't we, darling?
No,
We're
that's
trying
experimenting.
Because we want to try and be creative with the rubbish that we've got in our house.
Yeah.
Okay, pick them scissors up carefully. Remember how we hold them? Yeah. You can't cut like that though, can you? Okay, cut this.
Oh, there's something in it.
That's all right. Okay, cut this for Dad.
Where?
Near my thumb, this end. You can hear your brother upstairs shouting.
There.
Our brother's playing Fortnite. I don't know if you've got Fortnite going on in your home.
Yeah.
But
If you can hear it, just be quiet.
we can hear him. Right, cut that.
We're not sure if
Near
you
my
can.
thumb.
We're not sure if you can actually hear it, can they?
Probably. He's so loud up there. He's got the headset on, chatting to his mates. Yeah, I think he's gone quiet. Right.
Yeah, pretty cool class.
So as you can see, we are trying to make some feet. Hey, what did you say our robot was called? Jemima.
Let's Jemima.
I don't know if Jemima's gonna stand up, but
I'm making a pretty thing for her.
see, this is the
I'm
trouble,
making a
is
bow. I'll do a bow for her hair.
I don't know if Jemima's gonna stand up.
I'm doing a bow.
Oh, friend of mine, he's got a daughter called Jemima, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah.
Oh, get back here.
I know.
Oh, yeah, okay. Pretending you know.
Yeah, I know her.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Jemima.
Hello.
Right.
She says, hi. I wish her arms could move. Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, no, it goes this way.
Tell you what, we might, I wonder if I've got any, we might need
I'm making something for her hair.
to do this with duct tape, like,
Yeah.
you know that strong tape that Daddy's got?
Yeah, if you know duct tape.
Gaffer tape we call it, don't we?
Call it. Wait, what?
Gaffer tape.
What's gaffer tape?
Well, it's like silvery, really strong tape. So, let's put this on here. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Ya-da-da.
I'm just trying to trim something for her hair.
Love it.
I was suggesting we could do like a hairband. Or it could be a
Come forward a bit, so show us again on there so people can see.
A strip of her hair.
Yeah.
Goes down there.
So you're thinking once we've painted it and paper mache'd and painted, you're going to do the decorations with those cupcakes.
Like that. I'll just get the decorations ready.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make a bun.
We don't need them for today.
I'm just making them.
But when we do need them, they're ready, aren't they?
I'm just seeing how I can make them.
So as you can see, we have successfully... Oh, sorry about that. That was our little microphone we've dropped. So obviously we're very new to this, and we're just setting up.
This is our second.
This is our third video now.
What?
Okay. As you can see, we've got a pretty cool looking robot. When this is finished, we're going to take some photos so that you can see feet. Come on, disco legs. And we've got movable head. What do you reckon, Annie? Pretty cool?
Yeah.
So we're going to do some decorations on this. We're going to paper mache it. So next video, join us when we paper mache this. We're going to show you how we make the paper mache, how we put it on, all the stuff you need, and that'll be it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video.